I have this unfinished piece of wood. I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl Higgins Lake, which is just this really pretty light blue. And this board measures about 10.5 by 13.5 inches. And I'm going to give it one good coat and allow it to dry. Next, I have this cross. I found it at Hobby Lobby. And this measures about 10 by 7 inches. And I'm going to stain this with some chocolate paint. I'm just adding a little bit of water to the paint to give it more of a stained appearance rather than a full coverage. Now, of course, you could paint both of these items any color of your choice. And then I just take a baby wipe and wipe off all the extra paint. I have this foam ball. Now, of course, if you have floral foam, I do recommend you use that. But I'm just using what I have on hand at the moment since this was kind of a last-minute idea. And I'm just using a straight edge here to cut my foam. I'm going to flip the cross over, and I'm just removing the sticker from the back side. At this point, I don't really have a full plan, so I added foam to the back side of most of the cross. You really just need a flat piece in the center. I ended up not using any of the other pieces, but it was good to attach the cross to the board. I have some greenery. I got most of this stuff right from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting some of the greenery off of the full bouquet. Now, this does have a wire on it, so it's very easy to poke through that foam. And I'm going to take 4 bunches of the greenery and have them spraying from the cross. I'm going to add a bunch of hot glue onto the rest of the pieces of foam. You could also use Jenga blocks, anything that's going to lift the wood and allow you to attach the cross to the board. Next, I took one of the half circles of the foam ball, and I'm going to just fill it with a bunch of these really small pink flowers until I had the entire thing covered. And then I'm going to glue that down into the center of the cross. I took some blue flowers and I put one on the top left and one on the bottom right. And there you go. Super simple, but I really think this came out beautiful. I hope you give it a try. ChalkItUpFancy.com for other tutorials, unfinished cutouts, and information on our monthly subscription. Have a great weekend.